Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove NitroPack footer just like this. This is a NitroPack footer when you use NitroPack on your website, and it optimizes the speed of your website. Then on the free version, you will see this badge in the footer of your WordPress website. So in my previous video, I showed you how to improve your Google Insights speed using NitroPack footer, and in this video I'll show you how to remove this badge. If you never had to watch that video, you can click in the link in the description to watch this video, and all the resources in this video, for example JavaScript, CSS, will be available on my page wordpresspioneers.com, and you can copy all resources from here, or the link will also be in the description. So let's come to the article. This is the jQuery code which you will need during my video. So first of all, let's come to the website for which I want to remove the footer. So this is the website. I'll first log into the backend. Okay, first of all, open your plugins, click on add new. First we will search for JavaScript and CSS plugin. JavaScript and CSS, and press enter. Okay, I am using this plugin by SilkyPress. Click on install and then activate the plugin. After activating this plugin, you will find a new menu called custom CSS and JS in the left sidebar of your WP admin. Click on custom CSS and then click on add custom JS. Here type any random name. For example, I'll choose NitroPack footer remove just for the reference, and in this area open the link from my video's description, and it will redirect you to this page here. So scroll down to the section where it says the code. So you can also read these instructions if you want to understand more about their widget. So how do they use their CSS to manipulate people to not remove their widget from their websites. So if you are in this section, then start copying. Select this code, right click and click on copy. Then come to your website where we just created the JS code snippet. Paste that code here, and remember one thing: if your WordPress or if your site do not support jQuery, and sometimes this code needs to be like this, type $, or in some websites it uses jQuery. So if you change this jQuery to $, then you also have to change this jQuery to $, as well as this one and this one. But in my case it's jQuery, so I'll publish it. But before publishing it, just look at these options where on the page header or footer, these doesn't matter, because if you are choosing front end, then no matter if the code is in header or footer, it will work. So in this site, where in the site you have to choose front end, not admin, because people will see this code on front end, not your admin or login pages. Click on publish. Now we will come to our front end, and for instance click on inspect element to see if the code is working, or if it gives error, the jQuery is not defined, then we will change it to $. Click on console and refresh the page. Okay, there is no jQuery not defined mentioned, so the code is working. But if it says jQuery not defined, then you have to come here and replace this jQuery by $, here, here, here and here, and then publish again. Okay, now let me tell you how this snippet work. If you come to your backend, front end, and right click in this area and look for the NitroPack footer, then you will see that the template says this is the template snippet, and the ID is this one, this some random string, which means that if you use this string as ID in the CSS and use display none in the style, then this snippet will be gone. But whenever you refresh the site, then this ID will be changed by their automated system, which means that you are no longer able to hide this snippet using that specific ID. So that is why you cannot use a plain CSS code for hiding this thing, and you will need a jQuery or JavaScript. So what I did is getting the last item of the template tag, which means that from the bottom it will look for the template tag here, and it will get the ID. After getting the ID, it will save it in the new tag variable, and then I'll choose jQuery hash. Starting with hash means it will concatenate that ID which we got from this line, and it will concatenate it with the hash, and then it will apply CSS to display none. Also, the hashtag display next CSS means if you come here, then the first thing is this one, but the two previous things are here. So this is also the ID, this one, and it will hide both these two templates, and resulting the snippet to be display none. So this is how this code works, and this is how you can hide the NitroPack footer from your website for the free version, if you are using the NitroPack free version. Please remember that if you have purchased their premium package, then it will not display that code on your website, because you are already paying them for their services. So this is how you can hide this thing from your website. And if you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.